Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce describe my hometown. Basically, I'm living in Central Lombok. I live in Pringrata. My hometown is a peaceful and beautiful place. Look at in the countryside. It is surrounded by green rice fields, fresh river, and small hills that make the scenery look natural and refreshing. The air in my hometown is still clean. So every morning we can enjoy the fresh breeze and the sound of bird singing. This natural environment makes my hometown different from the crowd and noisy big cities. The people in my hometown are very kind and friendly. Most of them as farmer, traders or small business owner. They still maintain strong tradition, such as helping each other during harvest time or celebrating local culture event together. The sense of togetherness make the community feel warm and united. Although my hometown is developing, it still keeps its natural calm. In recent years, some new building school, some new buildings, school and shop have been built. This make the town more modern, but sometimes I miss the simple life we had before. Even so, I believe development is important for the future of the younger generation. Younger generation. What I love the most about my hometown is the peaceful atmosphere. I always feel safe, comfortable, and happy when I am there. For me, my hometown is not only a place to live, but also a place that keeps many sweet memories from my childhood. That is why I am always proud to call it my home. That is why I am always proud to call my home. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.